Welcome to 3600 Commonwealth Avenue, a revitalized 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that is looking for new homeowner. A wonderful place to raise a family and create lasting memories. First floor bedroom with newly installed bath fitter tub, custom-made cabinets west/a built-in hamper. Home has been freshly painted throughout, including new laminate flooring, new carpet, new water heater, gas fireplace and much more. Wonderful corner lot with a shed and detached garage. Centrally located between both the Midtown and downtown tunnels, Interstate 264, Portsmouth Naval Shipyard, and the Naval Hospital.